Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted a video, but I had some stuff to sort out, some personal stuff, and they came up kind of sudden, so I just had to take the time, make the sacrifice, and be off YouTube for a while. And say just get my stuff sorted out and get back on track with you guys. So I'm here, I'm doing okay, and I'm okay as well. So for today, I'll be doing a Jamaican review of Drake's new song, God's Plan. Even this very moment, tears out to fall out of my eyes. The way the song moved me. Me tell you, say the song really touched my heart. It remind me of those Oprah like them Oprah moment that when you're watching Oprah on TV and maybe an individual is in a situation and they have written to Oprah seeking assistance and Oprah just can't deliver them out of them situation or find means and ways of getting help for them. It just kind of give me that Oprah vibe there. That Drake video give me that Oprah kind of vibe. So I decided, alright, why not give a review of his song, like my Jamaican interpretation of his song. So I will be playing the video on my phone and I will be talking to you guys while I watch the video on my phone and giving my review of it. I don't want YouTube to flag me or anything or delete my video or anything. I don't know how some other YouTubers get away with it by putting in short clippings of other copyrighted content into their video without being flagged. Or maybe they get flagged, or I don't know how YouTube does it. But I'm not gonna run that risk. So I'll just go ahead and play it on my phone and talk to you guys. So let's get started. So initially, when I see the amount of money put towards this song, say I hold it for money that. If you want Jamaican, from a Jamaican perspective, this is a whole lot of money. And the mere fact that it was all given away, you have to really appreciate that. If you say Drake put it going to that school. I'm going to that school. I'm going to give away the money to those students or give assistance to those students. I appreciate how random his giveaways were. If say you see somebody and you know them situation and you want to help them and can't help them, and my God, I really appreciate how Drake did it still. Like me not lie. It remind me of them Oprah moment there. Like God no. Them nice Oprah moment. Like when I watch Oprah and you see Oprah help some people in the situation, it remind me of the Oprah situation there. At this section of the video, them in the supermarket, right? And everybody I do them grocery shopping and things. And the mere fact that customer can get them something free, like John was star. I will feel like military want buy right now. God man. I know Drake and his signature move already. Yo. everybody knows Drake and his signature move. Nobody can get over that. This other section where that the young girl would sit down like apparently by herself or something, and she got the tuition assistance. Like God no. If somebody could have even helped me out so back in my time, like God no, I would appreciate it. And I would want to think that she does appreciate it. I would truly think so. Based on her facial experience, facial expressions, I would assume she appreciates it wholeheartedly.
Moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you
and this mother and son, I am assuming it's a mother and son, and they were there seated and Drake come and just drop a little change from them. I say God no.
God's plan. Bad things. It's a lot of bad
And
things.
you know what we really appreciate too? The young girl that was in the wheelchair. I'm not sure what her situation is, but it seems as if she's wheelchair bound. And maybe she will need some medical assistance, some medical procedures to be done or something along that line. And she get her assistance. My God, man. Yo. And this other family here, they were there seated, and when Jay come, the girl turn over me. I said, God no, oh my gosh. And it's like I am assuming it's her husband or maybe the father of her children or something. And it's like him tears just full him eyes, him hug the younger kids there and just make a big hug, and oh my gosh, man. You can see the emotions in that song, yeah, but nah lie. The emotions are turned in this song. Can you imagine if me decide to be absent, for whatever reason, me absent from school, and Drake come to school another day, then me absent? Me I say, no man. And then me go back to school the following day, and everybody I say, yo, Drake come to school yesterday, you know. I'm like, Jesus, you do come absent from school, and Drake like, the Drake, come on, me.
It's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing.
Can you imagine? Suppose that they really happen, like in here in our Jamaican setting, and the one day I'm absent from school, like seriously, and then the following day I'm go back to school, and everybody's there talking like, yo, Drake came to school yesterday, you know, and look where you're absent. Drake came, like, Drake came to school and you were absent. I'm like, oh my god, wouldn't just piss up myself.
I brought toys for every single kid, so all the kids get toys.
My gosh, can you imagine all these kids getting toys? Like, oh my gosh.
You got to get whatever you want. Yeah.
Yo, my girl get her car. Yo, G, the general get a vehicle. Yo, you can see the man expression like him out to tear up inside.
Impossible. 2020. I might decide for one president of the United States. This is what the president is supposed to look like.
This is what a president is supposed to look like. This is really God's plan indeed.
I'm trying to get jobs. I'm trying to reach out to different workforce programs. And I can't thank you enough. We're making a $25,000 donation to the school for incentives for the after-school program, which we're really excited about.
$25,000. So, like God know that donation to the school for the after program and all of that is like, say, I can just imagine the school administration, they might have wanted this money for some upliftment, some program needs to be put in place or something, and Jamaicans would have say, the money here, it stop a gap. Sorry, I don't know what happened a while ago, why the screen went like that a while ago. So what I'm saying is that for that contribution, can just imagine how appreciative the school admin body is. Because in Jamaican context, when somebody say they get a money and it's tap a gap, it means like you wanted to do something all along and you can't get it, and there's a gap between you over here and something over the other end of the bridge, and there's this gap between you on this side and over here. So the money where you get, it's tap a gap in a sense, if you guys understand what I mean. And trust me, this is really one of those open moments. Like, me legit appreciate that song. If we could have literally like it a million times, I certainly would. Trust me. I really love that song, man. So that's my interpretation of this song. But I truly appreciate it, and I hope YouTube don't flag me for it. Because even though I don't put in literal clippings in it, the fact that the music is playing in the background, possibility stands where YouTube will flag the video just the same. I only hope YouTube will flag the video. Like, this song legit nice, so I have to play it again. Anyhow, thank you guys for tuning into my video. See you guys the next video, my next upload. Bye.